Alright, so just a quick little tip for those at home that are taking off their tires, or if you just have a flat and you take off your legs and you're like, oh no, it's not coming off. It's okay. A lot of it just gets stuck just due to the metal on metal contact and the water that gets stuck in between there. The rust kind of creates almost like an adhesive. All you gotta do is just kick the bottom or the top of the wheel on the rubber and it pops right off. Alright. Want to get your rubber mallet. Make sure that you're always using rubber on metal items because you don't want to crown out the metal and then you end up having it stuck over here. Or even when you do crown it out, know that that one part of the thread is larger, it's gonna cut out a larger portion inside the metal frame here. So be careful with that. Well, won't you look at that? My theory is confirmed. Y'all see that? This one is a tad bit higher, and that was one that was on this side. So since it's raised this way, the car, actually here's a better position. So pretend I'm my car, right? My right hand is gonna be the right wheel. My left hand is going to be the left wheel, just to give you a better visual. This one is taller. So since this one is taller, my car has been leaning. This one's taller. My car has been leaning like this. So at higher speeds, you'll start to notice that it starts leaning towards the right because now the body weight is mostly supported on the right side. And that's what causes the uneven wear and the wobbly. So I'm going to fix this. I actually think I'm going to make this one taller because I live in the country in the back roads and low may not be the life for me. So I'll raise it just a little bit, probably this one too, and we'll see how it turns out.